Kuma kihigo gya cukuru wa sekondari wa Njorua uri uri kaunti ya Laikipia o kona ya cukuru ino kuri na kamera cia CCTV. Kamera ici itwikite gituge gya bata hari kurunga mitugo ya arutwo tondu murutwo agika undu ni amenyaga hari na ritho ria mwanya rimwiroreire na ripoti ino igukinyira mwarimu munene wa cukuru uyu ari wabici-ini gwake.
I can see how the cooks are working in the kitchen. I can see what is happening in the laboratories. I can see a bit of the library. Not a bit, I can see the entire library, at least the inside of it. And it has really helped us.
Na tondu cukuru uyu uri na arutwo aingi, no hinya Arutani kumenya haria murutwo ari, no kamera ici imurikaga irathi na icigirira cia cukuru uyu na hindi ciothe arutwo maikaraga mehugite. Riria cukuru uyu watuire itua ria gwikira kamera ici, ti undu arutwo mamukirire wega, no kwa ihinda riri mwarimu munene wa cukuru uyu arauga ni macikenagĩra tondu ni mamenyaga ciokire kumaguna.
Slowly they have come to like them. In fact, they are very happy to have them because like one time the boys' clothes were stolen and they were able to catch the thief. So they actually accepted the facilities for their own good.
Mwena-ini wao arutwo marauga gukorwo na kamera ici ni kurungite aria mari na mitugo miregenyuku na koguo makahota guikarania wega matari na haranio.
The discipline is high because the CCTV is watching all over. No capering in school since this is a mixed school. Because it's like sneaking out of the school because you can see our fence, you can get somewhere to sneak, but it is no longer here.
Arutwo ningi ni magunikite na mitambo ya wifi iria mateithagiriria mathomo-ini matiganite maria marabatara uthuthuria kugerera nenda itiganite. Cukuru itiganite niihimbiirie mitambo ya kiriu iria iteithagiriria aciari kumenya riria murutwo akinya cukuru na mathaa maria arutwo mainuka na koguo ikahe muciari thayu wa meciria riria mwana ari cukuru. Ngiribuatira Inoro TV, njitagwo Gathoni wa Njihia.